Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're exploring the world of preventive maintenance documentation and how to streamline it with the help of a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. We'll dive into various documentation methods, discuss the efficiency of CMMS, walk through the documentation process, and even provide tips for effective preventive maintenance. You'll learn about how a CMMS like UpKeep can enhance your workflow efficiency by up to 15%. Let's get started. If you're looking to document preventive maintenance effectively, I'd advise using a CMMS or other forms of work order management software. The ultimate goal is to keep a record of work that has been done, when it was completed, who did it, and what its results were. Now, not everyone uses the same documentation methods. What a maintenance team uses often depends on what they're most familiar with, and it may be affected by the company's size and needs. Some methods you might see include paper notes, Excel spreadsheets, computer databases, maintenance management software, and even carrying the data around in their heads. But the last one, well, it's not really recommended. It's too easy for data to get lost, and it's not very accessible to others. Of all these methods, maintenance management software, like a CMMS, is the most effective. It takes some time and effort to implement, but it streamlines the process considerably. A CMMS makes it very easy to assign tickets to your technicians, receive preventive maintenance reports on work completed for each asset, and store that data in one place. Modern systems make it easy to compile reports and view trends on each asset, helping you fine-tune your maintenance processes. Plus, it has also been shown to increase your workflow efficiency by up to 15%, making your preventive maintenance more efficient on top of easier to track. So how does preventive maintenance documenting work? Regardless of the system you use, the core of preventive maintenance documentation is your work orders and preventive maintenance reporting. The process goes something like this. First, a preventive maintenance task is scheduled, and a work order is created to perform inspections, tune-ups, lubrication, and so on. Then, the work order is assigned to a technician. They go do the work prescribed in the work order. After that, they file a report declaring the task complete. Finally, that report is put on file. Essentially, the documentation process tracks the reports of complete and incomplete work orders, and a lot of that burden falls on your technicians. Let's look at an example. Imagine a vacuum packing machine in a food packing facility. Every week, the machine undergoes routine preventive maintenance, including checks on the oil level, sealing bars, gaskets, and so forth. The maintenance planner uses a CMMS to generate a recurring preventive maintenance work order each week with those items listed. The maintenance supervisor assigns that work order to a technician every Wednesday, who goes and conducts the tasks prescribed. Once everything is done, the work order is marked as complete and is filed away within the company's CMMS. Work order management is key to documenting preventive maintenance. Completed work orders give you a full view of each preventive maintenance task. They provide information like a full description of the preventive maintenance task, the name of the department or individual who requested the work, the technician who completed the task, where the task was completed, the estimated completion date, the actual completion date, and additional notes, including reports on whether further maintenance work is needed. The work order data has numerous applications in maintenance planning and management. It helps in tracking preventive maintenance schedule compliance, performing root cause analysis, improving maintenance planning, and tracking metrics and key performance indicators, or KPIs. Keeping work orders on file is simple when handled through an automated CMMS, but diligence is still required. If your maintenance team isn't used to keeping track of maintenance work, you'll need to train them on the processes involved in doing so. Now, let's talk about some tips for effective preventive maintenance documentation. First, include checklists in your work orders. This is key to making sure you have a complete record of your preventive maintenance efforts. Second, train your maintenance team. Getting your team into the habit of filling out work orders and logging them into your system can take time. Third, follow up with your team on a regular basis. Without that follow-up, it will be easy for them to think that preventive maintenance documentation isn't actually a priority. Fourth, use the data recorded. As you document preventive maintenance, you'll start building up a powerful database that you can use in maintenance planning. Finally, automate the process. Automating your preventive maintenance documentation will ease the burden on your maintenance team and make it much more likely to be consistently implemented. To sum it up, The best way to document preventive maintenance is by logging work orders into your CMMS. When those work orders are well designed and regularly logged on a consistent basis by your team, you'll start building up a powerful database that will help you plan future maintenance tasks and improve reliability. And that's a wrap. Thanks for joining me today. We've explored preventive maintenance documentation, the role of a CMMS, and how to streamline your processes. Remember, a CMMS like UpKeep can enhance your workflow efficiency by up to 15%. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more information about UpKeep and our services, visit upkeep.com. See you next time.